Introducing the Lyons Laboratory Management System, a cloud-based solution designed to streamline material, garment, and fabric laboratory testing. It processes jobs quickly, comprehensively, and securely. LLMS is a cloud-based platform for material, textile, and apparel testing. It works on web and mobile, allowing technicians to perform tests and generate reports efficiently, supporting outsourced results and remote data analysis. Textile and apparel testing can be labor-intensive, but LLMS simplifies data capture and automates analysis. It offers user-managed capabilities, customization, and secure control, integrating data from external systems. LLMS supports a wide range of testing standards, including AATCC, ASTM, CTS, FTMS, MIRE, and TAPPI, ensuring compliance with industry norms for material and textile testing. From sample receipt to report delivery, LLMS manages every step of the lab operations, including project tracking and automated notifications, ensuring a seamless testing process. Implementing LLMS can save money by increasing sample processing, reducing errors, and improving customer satisfaction. It requires only a tablet or Windows browser to access the cloud system. Effective sample management is crucial for maintaining data quality and integrity. LLMS offers comprehensive accessioning and tracking capabilities to uphold rigorous standards throughout the testing lifecycle. Understanding capacity, monitoring turnaround times, and reviewing sample queues are key to effective laboratory management. LLMS provides tools to keep operations on schedule and stakeholders informed. LLMS allows users to create workflows that automate laboratory processes, reducing the need for user intervention and adapting to new methods as they evolve. The LLMS mobile app provides access to lab features anywhere with an internet connection, supporting iPad, Android devices, and Windows browsers for executing and processing samples on the go. LLMS offers dashboards and reports to track lab performance and manage assigned work, enabling users to work with data in real time for better analysis and auditing. LLMS ensures data archival, provides a collaborative environment, and offers cloud or on-premises deployment with robust security, maintaining data integrity and business continuity. Get started with LLMS through step-by-step training videos, covering job creation, test result entry, report building, and dashboard navigation to monitor lab performance. LLMS is trusted by major manufacturers like Williamson-Dickie and Cintas for their testing systems, featured in industry publications and serving clients like Starbucks and McDonald's. LLMS now includes Azure authentication for enhanced security and releases mobile and web enhancements to boost productivity for lab teams. LLMS helps manage laboratory data efficiently in a secure, cloud-based environment. Whether in the cloud or on-premises, it meets your lab's needs today and tomorrow. Contact Lyons Information Systems to learn more.